Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin with a powerful truth that many people over 50 quietly worry about but rarely talk about openly. One day you wake up and notice something has changed. Your energy feels lower. Your body doesn't respond the way it used to. Confidence in intimate moments slowly fades, and you begin to wonder, is this just aging, or is there something I can do about it? Here is the good news. Aging does not mean the end of vitality, passion, or strength. The human body is incredibly intelligent. Even after 50, 60, or beyond, it has the ability to restore energy, rebuild circulation, and reignite the natural power that many people believe is gone forever. But it needs the right support. And one of the most powerful ways to support the body is through nutrition that fuels circulation, hormones, and cellular energy. Today, we are going to talk about something surprisingly simple, a natural mixture built around one humble ingredient that scientists and nutrition experts continue to study for its remarkable effects on blood flow, stamina, and vitality. Beetroot. Yes, beets. This deep red vegetable is not just food, it is a circulation powerhouse. Inside beetroot are compounds called natural nitrates. When consumed, the body converts these into nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes and widens blood vessels. When blood vessels relax, circulation improves. When circulation improves, oxygen and nutrients travel more efficiently throughout the body, including areas that rely heavily on healthy blood flow for proper function. For many adults over 50, declining circulation is one of the main reasons energy, endurance, and performance start to fade. It's not always about age. It's often about blood flow, nutrient delivery, and metabolic efficiency. Better circulation can mean stronger physical energy, improved stamina, healthier cardiovascular function, greater overall vitality, and this is where the natural mix comes in. Imagine starting your day with a drink designed to awaken your body from the inside out, a combination that nourishes the heart, energizes the muscles, and supports healthy blood flow. Here is a simple version of this revitalizing mix. Take 1 medium fresh beetroot, peeled and chopped. Add 1 teaspoon of natural honey for gentle energy. Include a small piece of fresh ginger, known for supporting circulation and digestion. Squeeze half a lemon, which provides vitamin C and supports blood vessel health. Blend everything with a glass of water until smooth. This mixture creates a vibrant drink packed with natural compounds that help the body function at its best. Beetroot brings the nitrates that support nitric oxide production. Ginger helps stimulate circulation and may reduce inflammation. Lemon adds antioxidants that protect blood vessels. Honey provides quick, natural energy without harsh spikes. Together, these ingredients create a synergy that supports energy, endurance, and cardiovascular wellness. But here is something important to understand. No single recipe is a miracle cure. True vitality after 50 comes from a lifestyle that supports the body every single day. Nutrition is one pillar, movement is another. Regular walking, light resistance training, stretching, these activities stimulate circulation, maintain muscle strength, and support hormone balance. Sleep is equally important. Deep sleep is when the body repairs tissues, regulates hormones, and restores mental clarity. And finally, stress management plays a huge role. Chronic stress releases hormones that can damage blood vessels and reduce energy over time. When you combine healthy food, consistent movement, proper rest, and stress control, something incredible begins to happen. The body responds, energy returns, confidence grows, and the vitality you thought was fading begins to rise again. Many people over 50 are surprised when they discover that the issue was never simply age. Often it was circulation, nutrition, and lifestyle balance. Your body still remembers how to be strong. It still knows how to produce energy. It still has the capacity for vitality. Sometimes it just needs the right signals. That bright red glass of beetroot mix is more than a drink. It is a reminder that small daily choices can create powerful long-term results. And here's the most important message of all. It is never too late to reclaim your health. Not at 50, not at 60, not even at 70. Every day is an opportunity to support your body, nourish your heart, and restore the energy that makes life vibrant and fulfilling. So start today. Add powerful natural foods to your routine. Move your body. Protect your health. Fuel your circulation. Because the goal is not just to live longer, The goal is to live stronger, more energized, and more confident in every stage of life. Take action today. Your future vitality depends on the choices you make right now. Have you ever caught yourself thinking, maybe this is just what happens after 50? Maybe my body will never feel the same again. That quiet doubt creeps in slowly. One day you notice your energy isn't what it used to be. Another day you realize your confidence isn't as strong as before. But here's the truth most people never hear. The human body is far more powerful than we give it credit for, even after 50, 60, or beyond. Age alone does not switch off vitality. What often changes is the way we fuel and care for the body. When the body lacks the nutrients it needs, when circulation slows down, when daily habits begin to weaken the system instead of strengthening it, energy naturally drops. But the moment you begin giving your body the right signals, something remarkable can start to happen. Imagine waking up and feeling your body respond with renewed energy. Imagine your circulation improving, oxygen moving more freely through your muscles, and your cells receiving the nutrients they have been missing for years. The body begins to react to proper fuel almost like an engine receiving clean, powerful energy again. Natural foods rich in nutrients, like vegetables packed with antioxidants, minerals, and compounds that support blood flow, can help awaken systems that have simply been undernourished. The body still remembers how to perform, how to repair itself, how to generate strength and stamina. Many people over 50 discover that when they change what they eat, how they move, and how they support their health, their bodies respond far faster than they expected. Suddenly, the narrative begins to shift. Instead of believing that aging means decline, you start seeing proof that improvement is still possible. Strength can return, energy can rebuild, confidence can grow again. And that realization alone can completely transform how you see the years ahead. What if the real secret behind energy, endurance, and physical confidence isn't something complicated at all, but something flowing quietly through your body every second? Most people never think about it, yet it determines how strong you feel, how energized you are, and how well your body performs. The answer is circulation. Blood flow is the invisible engine that powers every system in the body. Every heartbeat pushes oxygen, nutrients, and essential compounds through a vast network of blood vessels, delivering life to every organ, every muscle, and every cell. When circulation is strong and efficient, the body feels alive. Muscles respond quickly, energy levels stay stable, and stamina feels natural. But when circulation begins to slow, something subtle starts to happen. Oxygen delivery becomes less efficient. Nutrients take longer to reach the tissues that need them. Cells begin operating at a lower level of energy. Many people assume this drop in vitality is simply a normal part of aging, but often it is the result of reduced blood flow rather than age itself. Think about it. Your heart may still be strong, your muscles may still be capable, but if the pathways delivering oxygen and nutrients are restricted or less flexible, the entire system operates below its true potential. This is why improving circulation can create such noticeable changes in how the body feels. Natural foods rich in compounds that support blood vessel health can play a powerful role in this process. Certain vegetables, fruits, and spices contain nutrients that help the body produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and allows blood to move more freely through the body. When vessels relax and widen, circulation improves, oxygen delivery increases, and tissues receive the fuel they need to function properly. Suddenly, the body begins to feel more responsive, more energized, and more capable than it did before, and many people are surprised at how quickly the body can react once circulation is supported properly. What if the biggest transformation in your health didn't require extreme changes, expensive programs, or impossible routines? What if the real secret was hidden inside the small choices you make every single day? Most people underestimate the power of daily habits because they seem too simple to create dramatic change. A glass of a nutritious drink in the morning, a short walk in the evening, choosing natural foods instead of processed ones. These actions may look small in the moment, but the truth is, the body responds to consistency more than intensity. Every healthy choice sends a signal to your body. It tells your metabolism to become more efficient. It tells your circulation to stay active. It tells your muscles and organs that they are needed and supported. Over time, these signals begin to reshape how your body functions. Imagine the effect of a 20-minute walk done every day for months. At first, it may feel insignificant, but gradually the heart becomes stronger, blood vessels become more flexible, oxygen flows more easily, and stamina begins to improve. Now imagine pairing that with better nutrition, foods rich in vitamins, minerals, and natural compounds that support the body's systems. Suddenly, your cells are receiving the fuel they need to repair themselves and produce energy more effectively. These small habits start stacking on top of each other like building blocks. One positive decision leads to another. One healthy routine strengthens the next. Weeks pass, and something interesting happens. You begin to feel different. Your energy in the morning feels stronger. Your body responds with more endurance during the day. Confidence slowly returns because you can feel the difference within yourself. What once seemed like tiny steps quietly grows into powerful momentum, and the transformation that looked impossible at the beginning becomes the natural result of consistent daily actions. What if some of the most powerful tools for restoring energy and vitality have been sitting in your kitchen all along? What if the answer isn't hidden in complicated formulas or expensive products, but in the natural foods people have been using for generations? This idea may sound surprisingly simple, but modern science continues to confirm something extraordinary about nature. Many natural ingredients contain powerful compounds that support the body in ways we often overlook. Think about how the body functions. It relies on nutrients, minerals, antioxidants, and plant compounds to maintain balance. When those nutrients are missing, the body struggles to perform at its best. But when they are present in the right combination, the body begins to respond almost immediately. Natural foods such as beetroot, ginger, lemon, and honey are excellent examples of this hidden potential. Beetroot is known for its naturally occurring nitrates, compounds that the body can convert into nitric oxide, which helps relax blood vessels and support smoother circulation. Ginger contains bioactive compounds that have been studied for their ability to support blood flow and help reduce inflammation in the body. Lemon provides vitamin C and antioxidants that contribute to blood vessel health and help protect cells from oxidative stress. Honey offers a natural source of energy and contains trace nutrients that support overall metabolic function. When these ingredients are combined, something interesting happens. Their effects begin to complement each other. The nutrients work together, creating a synergy that can help the body absorb and utilize them more effectively. Instead of relying on one isolated compound, the body receives a complex blend of natural support. This is one of the reasons traditional nutrition often emphasizes whole foods and natural mixtures rather than single ingredients. Nature rarely works in isolation. It works through balance and cooperation between different compounds that nourish the body simultaneously. Have you ever noticed how differently you carry yourself when you feel strong, energized, and in control of your health? Confidence is not just a mental state, it is deeply connected to how your body feels every day. When energy is low, when the body feels sluggish, and when vitality begins to fade, confidence quietly follows the same path. But something remarkable happens when you begin taking control of your health intentionally. The moment you decide that your well being matters, a powerful shift begins both physically and mentally. It starts with simple decisions: choosing healthier foods, supporting your circulation, moving your body regularly, and paying attention to what your body truly needs. At first, these changes may seem small, almost invisible, but each positive action sends a message to your mind. I am investing in myself. That message grows stronger with every healthy habit you build. As your body begins to respond, more energy in the morning, better stamina during the day, improved physical strength, you start to feel a sense of control returning. Instead of feeling like your body is working against you, you begin to feel like you and your body are working together again. This partnership between mindset and physical health is incredibly powerful. When you feel stronger physically, your posture changes, your mindset shifts, and the way you approach daily life begins to transform. Confidence is no longer something you try to force. It becomes the natural result of feeling capable, energized, and balanced. People around you may even begin to notice the change before you fully recognize it yourself. They see the renewed energy, the stronger presence, the sense of vitality that comes from someone who is actively supporting their own health. Each healthy choice reinforces the belief that improvement is possible, and that belief becomes one of the most powerful motivators for continuing the journey toward greater strength and vitality. What if the only thing standing between you and a stronger, more energized future is the decision to begin today? Not next week, not next month, today. Many people spend years waiting for the perfect moment to improve their health. They promise themselves they will start when life becomes less busy, when stress decreases, or when motivation suddenly appears. But here's the truth: the perfect moment rarely arrives on its own. Progress begins the moment you decide that your health deserves attention now, not someday in the future. Imagine how different life could feel if you began making small changes starting today. One healthier meal, one natural drink that supports circulation, one short walk to wake up the body. These actions may seem tiny in isolation, yet they represent something far more powerful. They represent a commitment to your future. Every positive choice becomes an investment in the strength, energy, and vitality you will experience months and years from now. Think about the body as a system constantly responding to signals. When the signals are inactivity, poor nutrition, and neglect, the body slowly adapts to that pattern. Energy decreases, endurance fades, and health becomes more fragile. But when the signals change, when the body receives nutrients, movement, rest, and care, it begins adapting in the opposite direction. Circulation improves, cells receive better nourishment, muscles regain strength. The body gradually moves toward balance and resilience again. This transformation does not require perfection, it requires consistency and the willingness to start. The most inspiring stories of renewed vitality often begin with one simple decision: the choice to take the first step today instead of postponing it again. Each step forward builds momentum, and that momentum can reshape the way your body feels, the way your mind thinks, and the way you experience the years ahead.